I'm going to try something new here. So I can get it for get the glare off of it. Target stand by SME. Got it at Attwood's. It's a paper target stand. It's totally adjustable. Steel frame. Kind of what it looks like. Made in Grand Prairie, Texas. So I'm going to be putting this up here pretty soon. I'll be shooting my handguns. I pellet and BB handguns. Okay. Alright. We got a set of directions here. Let's see, a model number. It's kind of what it looks like. Got to do this on sort of an angle. So it doesn't look too hard. You got kind of stick it in the ground. You got 8 clips that you clip the target to. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, and I'm going to be shooting my BB handguns in there. So there you go. I was just going to show the just rack. Now I do have the shooting and showing the targets on it. These are the clips. You know, it's a good way to put them, store them on there. These rods just unscrew right here. From here, they're screwed in, so you can really everything like this is this tube, it fits over this tube, whatever. You can slide it up and down for the target size. Oh, it's too close. But I got these heads. I was shooting at these heads, and I use this backdrop so when it hits, they're not BBs in the low pellets, low velocity pellets are not going to go through this. Maybe the higher powered ones will, but normally it's not going to go through the metal. Besides, this fence is like double thick of these boards over here, and this is the arrow target. But I've been shooting. This is 25 yards. This is probably about 15 yards. So I step it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 yards to the heads, and it's 25 yards to the other target. So, and the air handguns, even 15 yards is a little long, but I mean I could bring them up closer, but I try to keep it incognito. I don't want people like saying, "Oh, what are those heads hanging there?" Like, so, anyways, that's the thing with the that target stand that I bought, and I'm putting this along the video with the handguns.